Welcome to this guide on filing FBR Challans 236C and 236K for advance tax on property transactions. This audio will walk you through the complete process step by step. First, let's understand these challans. Form 236C is for advance tax on the sale of immovable property, payable by the seller. Form 236K is for advance tax on the purchase of immovable property, payable by the purchaser. Both must be filed before completing your property transaction. To begin, access the FBR IRIS portal at iris.fbr.gov.pk. Log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to register first. Once logged in, navigate to the e-payment section from the main dashboard. Select Create Payment to initiate a new tax payment. You'll need to enter the NTN number. For property transactions, this is typically the NTN of the sub-registrar office or the farm where the property is located. Ensure you have the correct NTN before proceeding. Now, select the appropriate tax type. Choose Section 236C if you are selling property, or Section 236K if you are purchasing property. This is a crucial distinction, so select carefully. Next, enter all required taxpayer details accurately. This includes your name, CNIC number, and contact information. Then, input the property value and the transaction amount as per your agreement. The system will automatically calculate the advance tax amount based on the rates specified for each section. Review this calculated amount carefully before proceeding. Once you confirm the details, the system will generate a unique 20-digit payment slip ID, or PSID. Note this number down carefully as you'll need it for payment and future reference. Finally, you can make the payment using your preferred method. Options include mobile banking apps, internet banking through your bank's portal, or at any ATM that supports tax payments. Use your PSID to complete the transaction. Remember to keep a copy of your payment confirmation and the generated challan for your records. This completes our guide on filing FBR Challans 236C and 236K. Thank you for listening.